Okay, perfect, guys. So now we are good to start with the class. So before starting, I just welcome each one of you in our digital marketing orientation class. So as you all can see in front of you on your screen that we have digital marketing orientation class today, which will be helping you out to understand this industry more better. And definitely we will be talking about the various digital marketing related techniques in this particular session so that you'll be more aware about this industry, how it works, what are the job prospects, so all those things I'll be helping you out in this session itself, right? So let's welcome each one of you in this particular session. Welcome everyone. And I have one request to each one of you during this complete class. I want you guys to make this class engaging whenever I ask any question, whenever I ask you any scenario. So please, if you want to get maximum value, so be in that situation and try to answer according to the situation itself, right? So that you will be more interactive and you will found it the maximum value with the help of this particular practice. Okay, so before starting, let me just help you to understand what will be the agenda of today's session. So that what all things we are gonna discuss in this 1 hour long session. So if I talk about the first thing that we will be discussing, it is your introduction part, like introduction about me, introduction about I am skills, introduction about all of you guys, that why you are here, what objective you want to achieve, so that I'll be able to take this session in a similar manner. Second step is all about what, why, and how of digital marketing. Like what is digital marketing, how it works, and why you people should care about digital marketing right now, right? So we will be discussing each and in and out every aspects of it. Then there will be a right structure to learn digital marketing, right? I hope you people learn various things in your day-to-day life, or even since your like childhood, you have learned many things. But everything has a particular way to learn. If you're learning in that particular way, which can make you effective, then you will be the one who master that particular skill, right? If you are without any purpose, without any, like you can say, structure, if you are learning something, then you definitely will be missing out on many things. So what will be the right structure to learn digital marketing so each one of you can be very effective in this industry? We will be talking about that as well. I'll share you that structure, that how you can become more productive and more effective in this industry. Fourth most objective that we will be talking in this session, it is how to get jobs and freelancing opportunity in this industry. Basically, getting a job and freelancing opportunity, both are something which is really, really important for each one of you, I guess. So many people are here for freelancing related opportunity. They are exploring this industry. Some of you may be looking for a stable career in this industry. So how like you will be going ahead and getting these aspects? We will be discussing that at fourth step. Fifth step, I'll be covering artificial intelligence in digital marketing, that how AI is helping out the industry, how AI is impacting the industry, and how each one of you can get the maximum benefit with the AI driven learning, right? And at the end of this session, I have a surprise for each one of you, right? So all the people stay in this session till last, they will get a huge surprise from me so that you'll be able to go ahead and extend your learning, right? So this is all about the agenda and what all we will be discussing in this. Now, if I'll just share with you guys about me, my name is Deepanshu Jaiswal. I am head of marketing at I Am Skills. I'll be handling all the marketing operations here at I Am Skills. Along with this, I have more than 15 years of experience in website building. And along with the website building, I joined digital marketing industry around 10, 11 years back, right? When I started learning digital marketing, then I explored like various aspects of digital marketing. I worked with various clients, various startup as a digital marketer and helped them to grow. Along with the side, I also explored the other aspects of marketing, let's say marketing automation. And right now I have also something like helping you out with AI driven digital marketing as well, right? So definitely it is required in the industry to keep yourself updated, right? This is how I am doing myself. And this is what I suggest everyone. Because if you're not just keep like exploring the new things which is relevant to your industry, then you might dissolve in the industry so quickly. So if you never want to dissolve, if you always want to have a upper hand in your skill or in your industry, so you have to explore your industry, explore the relevant skills, and then you have to learn those skills, right? Moving forward, if I talk about I Am Skills, right? Then I Am Skills started in 2015. We started with a digital marketing master course as well, which was like within 1 year, we have grown that particular program to more than 1,000 plus professional trainings, right? So within just 1 year, train more than 1,000 professionals. It is a very huge landmark that we have achieved within just first year of our starting. And when we started this digital marketing program, we started with more than 10 years of experience, right? We like created some blogs and projects, and we able to reach more than lakhs of visitors, more than millions of visitors over those particular platforms. And we crafted that learning. We found and analyzed at what makes people to grow and reach out to the maximum audience. And then we crafted this particular program, which will be helping you to produce practical result in digital marketing domain. You guys able to reach millions of traffic. Similarly, in 2016, we grown more than 1,000 plus professional training. By the year 2018, we have grown to 33 plus countries. So if I talk about 2024, we are right now available in more than 55 countries, right? But by the year 2018, we have grown to 33 plus countries. In 2022, we achieved the #1 rank by the India TV for achieving highest placement record. So all the people here looking for the placement related aspects, then don't worry about it. The structure we share with you, the right structure to learn digital marketing, that is something that make our like student more efficient in the industry and they able to grab a job easily. So if you are someone who want to grow and get a job in the industry, if you learn that right structure of digital marketing or learning digital marketing, it will be really helpful to go ahead and get a job. AI revolution, we have grown in 2023 and like added one AI based digital marketing program into our learning, which can help our student to go ahead and like explore the industry.
Huh?
Someone unmuted.
নুন পাপা নিয়ে গেছে ব্যাগে করে
Okay, so now I just moved
normal
again. Okay, fine. So Shantanu, I request to keep yourself on mute, and I request the same thing to each one of you when you will be at the place where you have some noises. So keep yourself on mute, right? Okay, so at 2023, we have launched our digital marketing program with AI, where most of the institute just thinking about whether AI will be helpful or not, how AI will be impacting. Even most of you also like in the worry that will AI take the job of digital marketers or not, right? People are in that dilemma when we launch the program, which help our student to grow in the industry with the AI related technologies, right? So the best part to not get replaced is to learn the replacement, right? So what AI is replacing you. So you guys can simply learn the AI, which definitely like automated by you guys only, right? Operated by you guys only. So if 2023 was the year when we launched it, and now people, yes, getting the benefit out of it, this particular program as well. This is all about IM skills. There is only one mission and history statement that I have to share with you guys, which is simply that our mission is to help our student with affordable education. Even if you see the courses or the programs that we have on our complete website, we are charging, let's say, somewhere around half of the price what most of the institutes are charging in the industry. Despite we are very big in the industry, despite we have a millions of traffic on our website, most of the institute getting just 10,000, 5,000 kind of traffic, which is way lesser than us. But still we are offering an affordable education. Why? Because we want to provide that in the industry, that we want to keep our mission statement with us, that providing affordable education in the industry. Similarly, history, I already shared that when we started this program, we started with some blogs, we started with some project that we have reached to the millions of traffic, and the same learning we crafted in this program, which is helping you to produce similar kind of result, right? So this is all about IM skills, guys. This is all about me. And during this particular session, whatever queries, doubt you have related to this industry, you can quickly ask me. With my experience, I definitely can help you out in that situation. Now it's time to understand you guys more. So now you can see simply that who all should join this course. This is written on the screen, where I have people who want to build a career in digital marketing domain simply. Then people are who are looking for a career growth. They are already working in some domain, some industry, but they are not happy with the growth of current skill. So they want to acquire some new skill and want to grow with that skills more or multiply, right? Or like you are someone who want to restart the career. So let's suppose you are a housewife or you are someone who is on sabbatical, now want to learn some new skills and want to came into the industry. And then digital marketing professional who are already working in digital since last many years and now they want to upskill themselves. Or you are the one who want to run a business or entrepreneurship you are doing, or maybe you are looking for some freelancing or passive income sources, right? So who you are. So my question to all you guys is who you are and what your objective is, why you want to learn digital marketing. Simply reply me in the chat box, make it to everyone. Don't directly message me, make it to everyone. I have given the option that you guys can reply to everyone. So now reply to everyone and say like what particular objective you have. Quickly do it in the chat box. You want to build a career, you want to do a freelancing, you want to go ahead and like restart the career. Okay. So I have replied from Sharmili Bhaumik, restart my career. Okay. If I read more, then Bhavika is saying that she want to do it for passive income. Okay. Career growth. Ekta is looking forward. Ria is saying learn a skill. Okay. Oh, yeah, everyone is here to learn a skill, but after learning, there must be something you want to achieve. Raj Desai is passive income. Sonal Jain for career change. Working professional looking for growth. Mohammad Ashif. Priyank is saying career growth. Priyanka is saying career change. Varsha is for restarting career. Alvin is for passive income. iPhone, I don't know the name, opted as a career. Exploring the field, Anil is saying Sushmita for career growth, Anusha is for build a career, and Pooja is for looking for growth. Okay, Varsha is seeking for freelancing and passive income both. Career growth, Ashmera is saying own business. Shantanu is for growth in existing company. Okay, for career and financial growth. Ishak is saying perfect. So I have replied from most of the people. Sunil is just said for my online pharmaceutical business. Perfect. So yeah, I can see that you all are here in this particular session. People who want to build business, who want to grow, who want to restart the career, who want passive income or freelancing, or the one who want to just like start a fresh career as a digital marketer. Perfect. So I welcome each one of you, and definitely I assure that after this session, you will be pretty clear about how to achieve your objective. This is my like promise to you, and this is my commitment regarding this particular session, right? So take the maximum value, whatever you feel that is giving you, right? So let me just move forward. So as you guys shared with me right now that what particular objective you have. So first thing I want to start with, that is how many of you are aware what digital marketers do? What will be their job and what industry actually expect from them? Can you quickly share with me in the chat box? Whatever your guess is, you can simply share with me here. And if someone knows already, they also can do it, right? So I just wanted to understand what exactly people expect from digital marketer. So let's say if you join some company or if you work as a freelancer for some, let's say, client. So what they demand from you? What will be your job as a digital marketer? It is a very interesting question. Why I'm asking this question, the reason behind it, because myself, I learn everything after knowing what expectation of people's are. So if you know the expectation prior, then you can learn accordingly, right? You can learn the things in a way what people are expecting. Okay, Sharmili is saying not exactly sure. Ishak is saying growth in their sales. Okay, someone is saying, Raj is saying online reach for customer. Sonal is saying to promote business, to build the audience. Okay, more guys. Okay, running their online platforms, generating leads, sales, and others. Okay, branding, revenue, traffic in media visitors. Okay, subscribers. Okay, to make customers, I guess, to reach the correct set of audience to build any platform. Absolutely, this is one of them. Okay. Okay, perfect. So as I can see that most of you have suggested different things. Some of you suggested leads, some of you suggested branding, some of you suggested traffic, visitors. audience, there are various things that you guys have shared with me here in this chat box. Expand my high healthcare services, Pooja is saying. Okay. So if I just share with you guys what exactly it is. So there are major four type of expectation and job roles are there in the industry. Promote brand, generating leads by marketing online and social media platform, Bhavika is saying. Okay, I understood. So thanks guys, thanks for so engaging and sharing with me like your quick responses. So let me just help you out to understand. I hope each one of you can see this particular screen that you have in front of you. Quickly, yes or no? Can you see this Google Doc, which is related to digital marketing orientation? Perfect. Okay, so simply I have written word here, which is expected result, right? So why I have written this expected result here? Because what we are gonna discuss right now is what industry is going to expect from you guys. Once you become a digital marketer, what people will expect from you, because this is what you have to fulfill, right? This is what you are there for them in the industry, why they are hiring you, right? Their purpose you have to solve as a digital marketer. So let's say what is the most demanding skill in the industry. So some of you said lead generation, right? So when I talk about this, most of the jobs in the industry is around lead generation. It is also called as a customer acquisition, right? So lead generation and customer acquisition both are something which has most number of requirement in the industry. So if I simply write here, lead generation and customer acquisition, right? So this is the most demanded objective. This is the most demanded result in the industry. So when you join any company, can you guys think of any company who don't need more leads or more customers? Can you think of any business who don't need more leads and customers? Yes or no? Quickly. No, right? So it's simply no. So any business, any particular service industry, they all need more customers. No, you cannot say it iPhone, Apple user. You cannot say this. Even Apple need more people. Apple need more customer. Now they're getting more affordable, right? I guess everyone has Apple phone right now. So Apple and iPhone is one of them also, like who want to acquire more and more people, more and more like customers for their particular product. So every industry, every business need more leads, more customers to grow, right? They want to grow their business. So how they can grow? They simply add more people. They simply generate more leads. So whenever you join any company or whenever you work for any particular client as a or like as a freelancer, so most of the time they'll demand from you that can you generate leads for us? Can you acquire more customer for my business? Right now I'm like getting this particular problem with my business. I don't have more customers. I cannot reach to more people. Can you help me to reach them and generate leads? Right? So this is the most demanded objective that people look forward to from your skills and true digital marketers in the industry. After this, what do you think? What will be the next one? After lead generation, what people can expect from a digital marketer? Quickly reply in the chat box, guys. Think like a business owner, promoting business or branding, right? Lead generation, website generation. No, actually, website generation is a like tool which you need as a business. Right? Digital marketers don't generate websites. You need a website designer to generate a website. Creative ideas, consistency, okay. Update and upgrade website to your clients, okay. Okay, so if you think like a business owner, let's say if my business goal is to generate leads, after I generate leads, after I acquire customers, right? Let's say if a business is getting leads, more and more leads, what will be their next goal? Their next goal is to promote themselves as a brand, right? They want to become a brand because sales are automatically increasing. Why increasing? Because you are generating 100 leads, you are getting 10 sales. So let's say when you have a 200 leads, you automatically grow the number of sales as well, right? So lead generation, you are like increasing to get the more number of people, more number of sales. But after completing this objective, what business wants? Let's say I am satisfied with my leads right now. I am okay with that what leads I am generating. So the next thing what you can do, you simply go ahead and want to make your business as a brand, right? So the next objective we are keeping as a brand promotion and visibility. So being a digital marketer, people expect from you. They ask you to do this job for them. When you join any business or you work for any client, they come up with these requirements. Either generate leads for me or promote my brand, get more awareness for my business, reach my targeted audience over the social media, help them to know about my business, create a awareness in the industry for my business. They have these type of objective, right? What after this? Let's say if a business is generating good number of leads, they are promoting their brands is also at a good level. So what do you think what they expect next from you as a digital marketer? All business people, reply here quickly. ROI, return on investment. Absolutely. Because the two things that you have did initially, they are only investment. You are putting money in generating leads, you're putting money in building brands. But what the next thing you want? You want ROI, you want return on your investment, right? So what you want in terms of return, what every company wants, revenue. So we can say that revenue generation is a fourth objective. People have problems related to it, right? And every job in the industry come up with some problems. Whenever any business has certain problems, to solve that problems, people learn the skill and business need that particular person who has that particular skill which can solve the problem. So business has a problems like they don't have much leads, they don't have more customers, or they have aspiration to grow more, right? Similarly, they are lacking in terms of brand visibility or brand promotion. So that's why they want you to solve this problem. And similar way, once you have solved these problems, so let's say once a business is generating good leads, they are promoting themselves at a good level. So they definitely spending good amount also. So what they expect? They expect a good number of revenue. They want to even optimize more. So if a business is investing 20 lakhs and generating 80 lakhs of business or 1 crores of business, they definitely want digital marketer to help them to reduce the cost to generate the more revenue, right? To help them with a better optimization. So what they want a revenue generation kind of campaigns which can help them to even generate further revenue to grow more. Because after certain extent, companies cannot spend amount, right? So with the same amount, what they want to grow in terms of revenue. So this is what you need, where you guys as a digital marketer, you need to put your efforts, you need to like bring that something on table which can help them to grow in terms of revenue, right? So they share with you the problem that yes, I am the one business owner who will be facing this issue. Can you solve me? We are generating quite good number of leads. We are generating or promoting our brands at a quite good level, but we are not generating that kind of revenue. Can you check out what are the things we are missing out? Can you help us to grow more in terms of revenue? So they have these kind of objective or jobs available. What will be the fourth one? What do you think, guys? What can be the fourth one? It is very underrated. You actually cannot think about it much. It is very underrated, but you experience it every day. Most of the time, you experience this. Sustainability, no. What else, guys? Sustainability automatically comes with the optimization. Maintaining the sales, reputation, absolutely. So the fourth and the last one is online reputation management, right? So online reputation management is something which help a company to multiply. Lead can grow the business, brand can grow the business, Revenue can definitely, revenue generation campaign help you to grow your revenue. But online reputation management can help you to multiply your business. How? When you look at something, when you experience some good things, right? When you experience some like extraordinary things from or extraordinary service from any particular person, what you do? You suggest it to people. You enroll more people with the same product, same services, right? You suggest them. You automatically become the promoter of those things, right? Along with this, when you face similar way, when you face some negative things, you also try to help people out in the same situation, right? So in those situations, let's say many times people use even Apple iPhone, everyone say it is very good, it is very smooth, it is like very handy or everything. They really like it, right? Apple user really like Apple. They never change their iPhones, right? If you are on 13, you move to 14, then you move to 15, then you move to 16, right? You will always move from older version to newer version. But most importantly, let's say even if you check out the internet, people are also talking about negative things for Apple mobile phone as well, right? So but what makes a brand different? They help and take care of the concerns of particular issues that people are creating or help or like talking about on the internet. So similarly, when you face this situation, you most of the time when you are in the service industry, when you are, let's say, order something from Zomato, or maybe you order like you book the ride from Uber. So in these cases, when you just quickly check out, like let's say if your Uber got late, it got delayed with some hours. Let's say your orders also got late from Zomato for some 30 minutes, 40 minutes, or maybe more than 1 hour. So what you do? You usually write on social media, you target these companies, but immediately what happens? Their cell, their like brand reputation cell or online reputation management cell immediately get active, and they ask you the concern, they ask you the order ID, and they assure you over there itself. So what they shows and help you with the empathy that they really try to help you out in this particular situation, and they will help you in this situation, right? So what they do exactly? They send a message to the industry that we are the good company, we take care our customers, right? So that kind of reputation they try to build over the internet, that everyone whosoever is talking about them, they just take the concerns and help them out, right? Similarly, when you similar situation you will see in the cases of politicians, they have their online reputation management cell, right? Similarly, you will see in the celebrities, the Bollywood celebrities, when they do some negative act, after that, their like ORM cell immediately get active and they just try to take care of those concerns. Same with cricketers. So many things happen on the internet every day, and you will find that yes, they promote their good deeds, they promote or they just try to reduce the damage is happening with a certain incident or with the certain act what they have done, right? So this is how ORM is very important, because it helps to think about your business and services after getting like those particular experiences on the internet what people are talking about. So yes, similarly, ORM is one of the major job role in the industry. Most of the company have their ORM teams who help them to control the damage and to grow more and multiply their business, right? So these are the major four job roles are available in the industry that people demand from you and that businesses expect from you as a digital marketer: lead generation, brand promotion, revenue generation, and ORM. So can I have a quick confirmation from all of you in the chat box if you understood it really well, that yes, what all four job roles are there in the industry? Can I have a quick confirmation? Perfect. Thanks, Varsha. Thanks, Sunil, Elvin, Ishak, Sonal, Ashif, Hania, Shantanu, Mansi, Sharmili. Perfect. Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for sharing your confirmation for the same. Okay, so now we have just aware about like what all types of jobs are available, what people will expect, right? So when you go in the industry, when you work as a freelancer or when you join any particular organization, they have these objective to fulfill or these problems to solve. Right? So how to solve these problems one by one? We can take the examples, real-time examples, and you will be able to understand how it works, right? So this is something where you will learn the maximum about digital marketing. So pay attention, right? So now if I talk about lead generation and customer acquisition. So any guesses how people generate leads? Anyone? Just guess whatever your thoughts are mentioned in the chat box. How people generate leads? Facebook ads? Yes. Through some tools and running ads? Absolutely. Search? Yes. Email marketing? Yes. PPC? Absolutely. The people who don't know PPC, it's pay per click, which is a part of a Google Ads. Instagram ads. Yes, all these things are right. Content marketing, absolutely perfect. So yes, most of you who answered here, they answered it correctly. SEO, YouTube ads. So let me show you how it works actually. Right. So to understand this particular scenario, why people do this, why people do all these things, you have to just think it like a user. You think it like a user of a particular thing. So let's say I am taking an example of weight loss. I am a fat kind of person who want to lose a weight. So what will I search on the internet? I'll search for weight loss medicine, let's say. So when I'm searching for weight loss medicines, can you see guys? There are various options are available for me on the Google. Google is suggesting me these sponsored result where you will see all these images, their name, their price, their reviews, all those things are mentioned, but it is written as a sponsored. Then next is something which is nothing is written here and it's simple a result. Similar way, these results are, they don't have written anything on them like sponsored or non-sponsored or anything, right? Then if I move forward, I'll see that again there is a sponsored result and it is also something which has like similar like these options, right? Okay, so let's talk about what are they and how it works. So first thing, why they are sponsored? Anyone who knows difference between sponsored, why it is written sponsored here? So when anything you found is sponsored on the internet, that means it is paid, right? Companies are paying to the platform for sponsoring them, for showing them on their platform. So it means whatever you see as a sponsored result on Google, these companies are paying to Google to show their company name. Why these companies showing their name or why they are paying to Google for showing their name? Because they feel anyone searching for weight loss medicine, they have created a campaign or ad campaign where they clearly told the Google that anyone searching for weight loss medicine, that person can be a customer of ours. So you show our ad to these people who search for weight loss medicines. So all these companies are running ads and paying to Google to target me as a lead, to generate me as a customer, right? Next is these one, which don't have anything written on them. What are these? So I simply can write here, this is called as a search engine marketing, right? Search engine marketing. And in search engine marketing, we cover Google Ads. And in your Google Ads, you will learn 8 type of different advertisement. Google has 8 type of different ads. And one of them is the one I just shown you, this one. And this is called as shopping ads. Why it is called as a shopping ads? Because when you see it precisely, when you see it with some attention, you will see it is showing you the pictures, then it is the features, then it is some pricing, and it has certain other information as well, like reviews and all. So when you go to some mall or when you go to some like particular shop, there you have a price tag available on every particular product, right? So it is giving you that kind of feel or no? It is giving you shopping kind of feel or no? Yes or no? Yes. So that is the reason it is called as a shopping ads, because it will give you the shopping kind of experience, that you will be looking at the product, looking at the pricing tag and everything, and then you will be making a decision to whether click on this or not. So it is something which is a shopping advertisement by Google, and you learn it in Google Ads, right? So with the help of this, you can generate leads or acquire customers. What is the other option? We have seen one more option in Google Ads, and that was is search ads, right? So those ads called as a search ads. Why those called as a search ad? Because they are coming in the rest of the search results, right? You have these results. This is called as a search result. And within the search result, you also have these options available, which is a sponsored one, right? So this is sponsored ads coming in the rest of the search option. So it is called as a search ads, right? So this is another option that you can generate leads. After this, similar way, as you can see, these sponsored companies has the opportunity to generate lead for all those people who are searching for weight loss medicine. Similar way, all the companies who are here without sponsored tag, they are also have the equal opportunity. They also have the opportunity to generate leads on this keyword. When someone searching weight loss medicine, these companies also has a equal opportunities, right? So what these particular technique of digital marketing called? Anyone? What it is called? So other results which are not written anything, they are called as a organic results, and they are basically non-paid, right? So one which is with sponsored, they are paid ads, and the other one which are where nothing is written, it is called as an organic result, and they are non-paid, right? So we can become and we can target our customers using organic listing or using organic result with the help of SEO, which is called as a search engine optimization. How many of you know this search engine optimization? What is search engine optimization? Right? It is called as an SEO, right? So when you do SEO, when you do search engine optimization, you will be able to rank your website in Google searches, and your result will be visible here, right? So for example, let's say in next article, if I open best digital marketing courses in India, when I'm searching for this, so these are ads which are a sponsored one. When I go down, it is top 10 digital marketing or IIM skills. Our company is ranking on the first page, first rank on Google, right? So it is ranking here. That means our SEO is good. We are doing the SEO to acquire leads. So what is the opportunity for the SEO? If I'll just show you. So there is a one extension, guys. Can you see this extension I have in my Chrome, which is called as a Uber Suggest extension, right? So with the help of this extension, I basically can see the statistics of a particular listing on Google, right? On a particular keyword of Google, right? So simply you can add this extension by searching on Google. Let's say when you search on Google, Uber suggests extension. When you search this, then you will get the first option with the Chrome icon. When you click on this, you will be able to add it, and you also can remove it from here, right? So I added it from here. Once I added this, then I'm searching for weight loss pill or weight loss medicines. When I'm searching for this, I get this option. When I turn this on, what happens? Now see, when I turn this on, then Google is saying weight loss medicine. This extension is telling me for weight loss medicine, there are 18,100 people searching every month. And Google is charging somewhere around 13 rupees for per click, CPC. Volume means how many people searching for this keyword in 1 month. CPC means cost per click. How much Google is charging for one click right? So when someone is searching for weight skills, they have opportunity to get 18,000 visitor on their website. And for every visitor, for every click, Google will charge them 13 rupees approximately, right? So if I run my advertisement here, then I have to pay 13 rupee to Google for every click that person is doing. And if I am just looking at this website, Mayo Clinic, this website has somewhere around 73,000 visitors, right? But they are not paying anything to Google. Why? Because they are into SEO result. They are into search result without ads, without sponsored, right? So let's say if I get my website here, I'll get 73,000 visits. So for 73,000 visits, let's say how much amount I have to pay if I run the ad for the similar audience. I have to run the ad somewhere around for 9 lakh 50,000 rupees. So to get 73,000 people on my website with Google Ads, I need to pay 9.5 lakhs for somewhat around 1 million rupees for getting this much of traffic on my website. But I am getting it free of cost. How? With the help of SEO. So this is the opportunity SEO has. So all these websites, it has 52,000 visitors, right? This has 8,000 visitors. So the higher the ranking, the higher the chances that people will click on this and get with you, right? So SEO is equally important. So if you run the good SEO strategies, if you make your SEO friendly like content, or then definitely you can rank your website on the first page of Google and can get the maximum leads from the Google first page, right? So these are the two things. What is the third one? People suggested Facebook ads, right? So what we call it, social media marketing. So in social media marketing, you will learn about all the platform like FB, Insta, Twitter, which is now X. Then you will learn about LinkedIn, right? Then you have Snapchat. So all these platform will be taught to you how you can use these platform, how you can run ads on these platform, and how you can also generate the leads. So I believe most of you must have experience whenever you search for anything. Let's say you search for a shoes, you search for a dress. So after searching for those things, when you go to your social media, after searching on Google, when you go to social media, what do you see? You see the similar type of ads. You will see the similar product ads even sometime, right? Have you experienced this or no? Right. So you all must have experienced this. How this happened? This has happened because of social media marketing. This happened because of advertisement you run social media. So what social media does, when you open your FB, when you open your Instagram, they check out whatever, they check your network cookies. They check your network cookies, that what all item you searched before on your network, on your internet, right? Once they aware about those cookies, then they will show you accordingly the ad that this person is every day looking for these type of searches. So let's show this type of ad to the person. Same way you also experience, you say some product name or some services near to your phone. You're talking to a friend, your phone is like idle nearby you, right? Then when you like talking about some services, let's say you 10 times say digital marketing course, what happens? When you pick up your phone and you try to access some your social media, you will see similar type of ads on your Instagram stories. You will see similar type of ads on your like Instagram reels, right? Why you see this? Because you called as a in-market audience for these platforms. They are listening everything what you're talking around your phone. They ask you for the mic permission when you install any app, right? They ask you for the mic permission. Why? Because they just want to filter out what keywords you are talking in daily, day out, day in or day out. And based on those words, what you are using mostly related to the services and product, they show you the ads also, right? So this is also helpful with the help of social media marketing. You can target those people, right? So this is how you exactly can use the lead generation and the customer acquisition using the different platform. Next, if I'll talk about the brand promotion and visibility. So I just wanted to know from you guys, I want you to do a quick practice right now, right? And that quick practice, what I'm like sharing with you, what you just have to do, you just have to think about something when I say brand, right? When I say brand, think about something and write it here in the chat box. So take 3 seconds, think about it and write it here. Okay, Nike, Adidas, Puma, Zara, Polo. Okay, we have two Varshas in the session and both of them think about Zara. Nice. Okay, Polo, Apple, LV, Adidas, Reebok, H&M, Sports and Sports. Okay, Samsung, UPSA. Okay, IIMs. Okay, H&M. Okay, Dell. Perfect. Chanel, Titan, DHL, Tanishq. Okay, IITs, Domino's. Okay, Gucci, Tanishq. Perfect. So you have almost various brands names. So guys, while you thinking about these brand names, do you also have their logo and their company name in your mind, like how they write this, their like visualization of these things? Do you have that in mind or no? Yes, perfect. Right. So while you're thinking about these brand and you have the same name or same logo in your mind, why this happen? Because they focus on their brand promotion and visibility very much. And how they do this? How many of you aware about like psychology of, you can say, memory? Are you aware that let's say whatever you listen, that has a very short span, right? You can remember it for very short time. Whatever you read, you can remember those things for some extent. But whatever you like actually watch or whatever you visualize, whatever you see through your eyes, you can remember those things for a long period, right? Right, we remember the visuals. So this is why what brand do, whatever they promote, whatever ad campaigns they create to make their brand more famous, to memorize or rememberize people about their logo, right? Sometime even when you see their ads, they don't have even a product in their ad. They just have their name, right? They just have their logo to be promoted. They're not telling about you the product or services or anything. They are just simply promoting their logo, right? Why they do this? They do this because you are all aware whenever I say shoes, you get the all brand related to the shoes in your mind automatically, and whatever the latest one or what is the most frequent one you have seen on the internet or on the TV channels or on the various other platform, that will be in your subconscious mind and you will automatically able to get it visualize in your mind, right? So when I say shoes, people get Nike. Why? Because they see Nike daily. Whenever you like talk about Adidas, people see Adidas brand logo every day. They see either on TV, either on internet, even people wear their like apparels, right? So keep reminding people through ads. Yes, they keep on reminding people about their brand visibility and availability, right? So they are easily available and they are easily visible on every platform, right? So what people do, people frequently see them, people frequently like able to recognize them, and they have always in their subconscious mind, the upper layer of their subconscious mind, that yeah, anyways, whenever you talk about shoes, they automatically add these brands name. Whenever I talk about mobile phone, they get Apple, Samsung, these name in their mind. And whenever I say, let's say noodles, you will get Maggie in your mind, right? So they have that kind of brand promotion and visibility on the internet. So how you can do this? You simply can promote your brand visibility and can increase the visibility and awareness of your brand with the campaigns which support images and videos. So when I talk about images and videos, what are the platform guys which support it? One of them is search engine marketing, right? In search engine marketing, when I search, let's say this is the type of ads which support the images. You can use these type of ads as well, right? So you can write it here because here you will be charged nothing until you click. So let's say if I am not clicking these companies, but I am aware about the name, right? They won't be getting charged, but they are promoting their name even if people are not clicking them. So that is advantage. HK Vitals, I can see the name, I can see their brand name, right? But yes, they will not be charged until unless I am not clicking on this ad. So they have dual benefit. One, they will promoting the brand, and second, once someone clicked, they generate the lead, right? Apart from the shopping ads, there is another type of ad is called as a display ad, right? So display ad is also the part of Google Ads. I can write it here. They both are the part of Google Ads, shopping ads and display ads. How display ads look like? Let's say whenever you are reading some articles on any website, I guess most of you have heard about Scoop Whoop. You read articles on social media. When you click on this and you land on some other website and you are reading some article, right? So you have some ads going on the complete website. Those are called as a display ad. So let's say for an example, I open the Times of India. No, not pop-ups like this. Can you see this? Central Park, Central Park. They are promoting themselves, right? This is a real estate company selling the 2 BHKs, I guess, right? This is the Maruti Suzuki. This is one of the ad, right? So these ads are basically display advertising, which is not running on Google, but you are running it through Google, right? So you are not running it on Google. There is no Google right now, right? You are on Times of India. You're not on Google. But still, to run these ads, you need the help of Google. Why? Because Times of India given this space to Google. They said, we are giving this space to Google, and Google can show their ads on my website, and Google will pay them the commissions. So let's say when I click on this ad, the Central Park will be charged by Google some amount, and the percentage of that amount will be given to Times of India, right? So this is how the people who don't sell in product, they earn, right? You might be wondering why people are creating a website when they're not selling anything on them, right? So let's say why people are creating the websites where just people are reading about some information. Let's say Times of India, this is a news website, right? They are just writing the content. And when somebody coming on their website, you must have experienced similar way. Let's say when you search for anything, people writing the solutions of the problems, right? When you stuck somewhere, you search for something that my internet is not working, then you have some articles, right? Do this, do that, do this, do that, right? You have some steps given on their website. You follow those steps, and yes, it works. Why these people giving the solution to you guys? Because you are the audience of these people. And when they have a huge audience, when they have a lakhs of people, millions of people visiting their website, right? They can earn a very good amount with the help of these ads, which run by Google on their website, right? Because every business need visibility, and your website having somewhere around more than millions people, more than lakhs of people. So your website can be something which can show my product to thousands of people or hundreds of people or millions of people, right? So I can pay to Google to run my advertisement over the partner websites, and Google show the results here, and you will like get the earning as a passive income. So let's say if all of the people who want to run a passive income, now I am giving you or giving that particular suggestion, what you guys can do for passive income. You can think about a skill which is very good at you, right? With the help of digital marketing, you actually can promote it. For an example, I design websites, right? So what I can do, I can create a blog where I'm suggesting people or helping out people about different problems people face related to websites. Let's say my website is down, what to do? My website got virus, my website got malicious code, right? My website is not opening, my website is giving this 404 error. How to solve this? Right. So if I have something, all problems, if I have this types of problem on the internet, let's say if I search for this problem, for an example, how to fix 404 error in WordPress. How many people are searching for this? We have not much volume on this, so I can search about those like some different keyword. Let's say if I search for this and if I have some keywords here, right? I have how to design website free for 4400, how to design website using HTML, CSS, how to design website in WordPress. So I have all these people searching for this. So I can create a article, create a blog on this and can target these people when I have a various articles. Like let's say this is one of the article. So I can write the multiple like things and I can get the traffic of those things and I can grow my website to lakhs or millions people. And on my website, then what I can do? I can suggest the relevant product. I can give that space to Google where Google can show some relevant website. So let's say anyone came on my website who is looking to learn about creating website, right? They must need a domain name. They must need a hosting. They need these things. So what if Google is showing buy the hosting and or GoDaddy ad or Hostinger ad on my website to purchase hosting and domain? They can show those type of ad and all the people visiting my website, they are relevant audience for these people. So this is how it works. This is how people like get the advantage of this particular thing. And yes, more important, when I said display advertisement, people show on display advertisement most of the time they will show the logo and the big brands, right? So what they do, let's say again, coming on here, Times of India, when I search here, I can see that yes, Maruti Suzuki clearly promoting their logo. You cannot see the car in this particular ad, but yes, you can see the Maruti Suzuki logo because everyone knows what Maruti Suzuki do. They build cars, right? So similarly, you have a Central Park here. They want to grow their brand. They want to promote their brand with the name only Central Park, right? Or their project, which is Bella Vista, right? They want to grow their project or they want to promote their project. So they're more focusing on the logos of the companies they are promoting, right? So simply you will use this particular platform for showing the images and videos to your audience. Another way is social media marketing. You will do the same on FB and Insta most of the time. Yes, people use sometimes Snapchat also, but yes, people do not use LinkedIn and Twitter much on this for brand building. Right? Apart from this, what else, guys? Any other platform you think of which supports your email, like images and videos? What it could be? It is email marketing, right? Yeah, YouTube, definitely YouTube is one of them. And you can consider YouTube in search engine marketing itself because you can run the YouTube ads using your Google ads. It is a part of a Google platform, right? So you can consider here YouTube ad itself. Then you have a email marketing. So email marketing is also something where you can send the emailers with the help of like including the images, and you can also educate your existing users about your brand, right? So let's say every day if I'm generating about 1,000 leads on my website, right? Out of these 1,000 leads, if 20 people buying my product, what about these 980 people? What about these 980 people? When I talk about in 30 days, these 980 people will be 29,400. And in 12 months, it will be around 3.5 lakh. So if I have 3.5 lakh people on my website who filled up the form, who inquire about some product and services, but they have not purchased it yet, what I can do? I can educate these people about my brand. I can share them my brand visibility, my brand achievement. So maybe if they are skeptical about my brand, they get converted by looking at my brand achievements, right? So I can send them emailers which shows and which represent or educate them about my brand, right? So simply you can use email marketing also for brand building. Revenue generation. What is for revenue generation, guys? So if I'll talk about this ad, guys, again, I'm coming on the search engine one, right? And over the search engine, you will have shopping ads. The core focus of these ads are to generate revenue. Why people run shopping ads? To generate revenue. Their major focus is not to generate leads. Their focus is directly to generate a customer who pays them, right? How? If I'll just show you, let's say if I'll click on any of the website, right? So what will you see, guys? Let's say if I click on this website, right? Can you see? If I have to ask you guys, what will be the major focus of this particular page? Are they asking you for lead generation? What they asking you clearly? Quickly, guys, quickly respond in the chat box. Okay, Ashif is saying to buy, price. What other people think? What they are asking you to do? Add to cart, subscription, right? Purchase, right? So they are not caring about that you will fill up a form and become a lead for them. No, their motive is very clear that they want you to pay them. How they want you to pay them? Either by a 3 month supply, 1 month supply, or 5 month supply, best seller, big saving, and add to cart button. If you will see, that is the biggest thing they have in this particular section, right? Why? Because their objective is very simple. They don't cut the long story in short. They just want you to come, read about the service, read about the like features, and then get the good offers here and then buy the product. That's it. They don't have anything else to tell you. They just want you to learn about the product and purchase it right away, right? So their major focus is to generate revenue. So this is called as a generate revenue campaigns. Similar way, you see this type of advertisement on Instagram also. I hope you must have experienced when you guys are scrolling through your Instagram, you must have seen mobile phone cover ads. You will see some artificial jewelry ads. You will also see some gifting products ads. You will see some t-shirts, right? Trousers, shirts, these type of ads. When you click on those ads, they take you directly on the purchase now product, right? And they have some timer going on there that 2 hours left, order it now, right? So you have these type of advertisement, shop now, click, right? So their objective is not to teach you about the product. Their objective is only to go ahead and buy the product by clicking on those ads, right? So if you get excited with what they are sharing on the internet, you click on them and purchase them. That's it. After search engine marketing, you have another option, as I just said, social media one. And over the social media, you will run the advertisement over Insta and FB. Most of the time, Insta and FB are the one people use for this revenue generation campaign. Apart from this, there is a one more option is which is called as a email marketing. So in email marketing, if you guys learn this, this is very effective things. I ordered printer from Amazon. So after 1 month, what Amazon will do? Amazon will ask me to buy A4 sheets or cartridges. They send me an email that maybe you are out of paper. Can you want to order some A4 sheets, want to order cartridges, just send me the relevant product details or relevant product suggestion whenever I purchase anything from them. Similarly, let's say if I added few product in my cart on Myntra, on Amazon, or on any shopping website. So let's say I added them into the cart and I didn't purchase. What happens? They expect from you that you are the prospect for them. You are about to purchase the product, but you left that in the cart. So what they do? They send you an email. They send you an email stating you have these product left in your cart. Complete your purchase. This type of email you will receive, right? Reminders. Yeah. So these type of reminders, what they do? Usually people again go back and complete the purchases, right? In some of the cases, maybe you are not looking for the product, then you don't do. But if by any chance you have missed it purchasing at that time due to some XYZ reason, you are short of time, maybe you don't have card with you at the time. So you think that, okay, add it to the card and I'll purchase it later. So there are various reasons, right? So if the reason is you don't want to buy, then you don't get converted. But yes, the reason is any other that you have missed purchasing it at the time. But when you get the reminder, you complete the purchase. So what happens? Amazon generate the revenue or the company generate the revenue by just sending that email. And for your kind information, guys, so this is very interesting tool and very interested stat as well that every dollar is spent on email marketing. Let's say if I spend $1 on email marketing, any suggestion, guys, how much money you can generate? Any suggestions? If you invest $1 on email marketing, what kind of return you can expect? Guesses, guys, guesses quickly. Okay, someone saying 10 times, 10x. So if I spend $1, then I can generate $10. Okay, Hemant is saying 10x. Hania is saying $300. So it is almost 300%. Two times. It could be any figure, two times, five times, right? Right, it could be any figure, but we are asking like the any guesses from you guys, and then I'll show you what research says about it. Right? So quickly share your guesses and then I'll show you the research. $50. Okay. Infinite. Okay. I cannot beat this. Okay. So now I will just show you guys what kind of ROI it gives you. For every $1 spent on email marketing, marketer makes $42, right? So that kind of cheap platform it is, or affordable platform it is, that you just have to invest only $1 and you can make $42 out of it. So it is kind of 4,200% of ROI, right? You cannot think of any other platform can give you this kind of ROI that you will investing only like $1 and generating $42 or somewhere around 4,200 times, right? 4,200% of ROI. So it usually doesn't happen, right? So yes, even email marketing can help you with this kind of result, right? And yes, most of the businesses who have various or enough database, they can generate 60% of their every month revenue from email marketing, right? So this is something good to know, and you definitely will be the one who easily can use the email marketing for the better revenue generation. Okay, now the last platform, online reputation management. What are the platform people use it for online reputation? As I initially shared with you guys, that for online reputation management, people usually come up with social media, right? You will have review sites. Next, you will have your Q&A platforms, right? And then you will be doing it with email marketing, right? So these are the major four platforms which people use for ORM, online reputation management. Okay, so guys, I just shared with you that what all the jobs are, and then how you have to achieve the different objectives. So let's say all the businesses are expecting lead generation, brand promotion, revenue generation, and online reputation. And how you guys gonna achieve these things? You will be achieving all these things with the help of these platforms and running these type of ads with these platform. With these platform, you can do revenue generation, and with these platform, you can do ORM, right? So if everyone understood it clearly, can I have a quick UD in the chat box about influence marketing like YouTube and TikTok, FB and Insta? See, influence marketing, what it is? It is basically a objective. It is not a skill of influencing marketing. Where you do the influencer marketing? You do the influencer marketing on the social medias, right? So you influence people for social media, and how, why you influence people for social media? Don't think about who are already grown people, hire them. Right now, we are talking about how people grown. You hire influencer already have a millions of follower, but how influencer have the follower? Using the digital marketing or using the right skills on digital marketing, right? So I can do anything then, right? Let's say if I just have to hire a person, then I can do anything. If I am a digital marketer and I hire an influencer, then what will be your expertise of a digital marketing there? Your expertise come into the picture when you make your platform influencing, right? When you grow your influencing, when you grow your platform at the level that it can influence to the people. So influence marketing is not a particular learning. Influence marketing is after getting promoted, after getting rich in terms of followers. Once you get very rich in terms of follower on your social media, on your other platform like YouTube, or even on your blog, it's, let's say when I'm writing an article, and if my article got millions of views, then I can mention in that article about the companies I want to and can influence people, right? So this is called as the influence marketing. So influence marketing is nothing like you just hire someone who has good result already. That's it. Okay, so I just wanted to know if everyone understood these things clearly. So can I have a quick yes or no from you guys, UD, if you understood these aspects very well? Yes, I'll come on your questions now, but before that, I just want a confirmation from all of you that if you understood it really well, just write UD in the chat box so that we can move forward. Okay, perfect. Hania, Ashif, Varsha, Hemant, Sonal, Ashmerya, Raj, Sharmili, Ekta, Sunil, Varsha, Hania. Okay, UD right now you're rating. Alvin, perfect. So I can assume that all of you understood this part really well, what all jobs are there and how you will get those jobs, what type of skills you have to build, right? Perfect. Okay, so now the question is here that Varsha asked. I have a question how to increase options of premium subscription on some of the widely used platform affect digital marketing. How do the increasing options of premium subscription on some of the widely used platforms affect digital marketing? Okay, so premium subscription of, like, you're talking about YouTube's or any other thing? Can you specify the platform basically? I'd also like to learn how to text many people in one go. Yeah, you will learn that. Don't worry about that. Is there in the WhatsApp marketing that we teach. Yes, YouTube specifically. Yeah, basically it help YouTube to identify the focus on content, right? Basically premium content. What is premium content? For which people want to pay, right? And premium content has better earning opportunity. So all the business people or all the, let's say, YouTubers who giving the values, who want to give more values to the people and who what they think that that value cannot be got from someone else, that people cannot get the similar value from some other people's, right? Some other YouTubers on the internet. So what they do, they make their channel premium, and after making it, people buy the subscription because people love to watch them. People like want to learn only from them. People want to explore their content, right? So they have to make their content exclusive. That's how they become a premium. right? If you're not making exclusive content which is easily available on the internet, nobody buy your premium subscription. People buy your premium subscription when they looking forward to access the exclusive thing. So that's what platform do. So when YouTube have something exclusives, right, which people want to read and for which people are ready to pay. So that can increase both of the things. That can increase the number of people who create exclusive content, and that also increase the revenue of YouTube, right? So this is how it affect the platform. Got it, Varsha? Can I have quick confirmation? Is it possible to target certain community diverse population in FB and IG? Yeah, absolutely. You can target any particular diverse population. Communities, yeah, there are various type of communities, but you have to target them based on the interest, based on the relevant, like relevancy. So you will learn all these things and how you do this. Okay. So guys, let's stop the question for now. I'm just going on the right structure to learn part, because right now we have just learned all the things about how to achieve the result, how to go and deliver to the industry expected result. But now, like, we have to discuss how you become that person who deliver all this, right? These all things you only able to deliver once you become a digital marketer. So how you become that digital marketer who know all these things? So let's just quickly discuss about that. Right, to helping you to become that person who is effective in the skills, we have created this right structure. In this right structure, you will see the 5 steps. The first step is insightful learning. The second step, life practice. Third step, portfolio. Fourth step, job and freelancing opportunity. And fifth step is upskill. These are the 5 steps which our students follow, and they're able to grab a job in the industry easily. Why? I'll tell you the reason. So first is insightful learning, right? To help you out understand more, I just need to open my website. Let's say this is the course page that we have, digital marketing master course, which you all must have explored, right? So when you come on this page, master digital marketing course, you will see that it is a 5 months of comprehensive live training, which includes your 3 months of program and 2 months of paid internship. We cover more than 40 modules in this. So in 3 months, what will happen in first 3 months? So in first 3 months, guys, we cover these 2 steps, which is insightful learning and life practices. So what is the difference between learning and insightful learning? Insightful learning is something where you first get the insight. First, you understand about the platform, and then you learn the platform. Then you perform on the platform, right? So for an example, I am teaching you SEO. So one way is I directly teach you how to do SEO, use this tool, search about the keyword and do the SEO. That is one way, which most of the people follow. And the second option is I'll first teach you about all the likes and dislikes of Google, that how Google gives ranking in SEO, what Google likes, what Google dislikes. I'll teach you the complete environment of Google, that how Google react on the different things. And once you understand, once you're aware about how Google react, then I'll teach you how to do SEO, then I'll teach you how to do keyword research, then how to run the campaigns and how to do the like SEO campaigns. So right, then you will learn all these things. Right. So what is the difference between two is in the second option, when you do the insightful learning, you actually can experiment the things, right? Experiment means, let's say when I'm aware about something, when I'm aware about how the Google works, then what I learn, I can add something to it and I can even more effective, right? I am aware about different businesses, how Google will react on the different situation. But let's say if I have not learned that thing, what happens? If I just learn how to run ads or how to do SEO, when I'm doing the SEO for some hospitality industry, let's say for some hotels, for some like some tour and travel packages or something, then I'll do the same situation. Then I'll do this or follow the same strategy. Well, when I'm doing it for some shoes or apparels, then again I'll do the same strategy, right? But both strategy are not the same. Both product are not the same. Audience is not the same. right? So all the people who just learn how to do it, they will be lack in this. But all the people who learn the platform, that how Google react on the different things, they will be more, you can say, effective or more effective on these things to understand what Google wants. So you accordingly apply your strategies and you accordingly produce the result for the different businesses and different platforms, right? So this is the difference between insightful learning and learning. So we added a insightful learning because we want you to learn insight first and then learn the platform. Then you have a live practices. So let's say once I learn anything, after that, if I'm not practicing, what happens? Guys, what happens if you don't practice anything? Let's say if I teach you today, if I'll teach you tomorrow, and if I'll teach you day after tomorrow, every day I'm teaching you, but you are never practicing anything, what will happen? You won't be able to get, yes, no perfection, forgets. And more important, even if you remember, right, you won't be confident, right? How I'll get the confidence? Take an example of driving a car. You just reading on the internet how to drive a car, you are watching the millions of video how to drive the car. But until unless you don't go on the road, until unless you drive yourself on the roads, you will never understand or never gain the confidence of driving a car. So gaining the confidence is directly related to practices. If you practice more, you will automatically get the confidence on the certain things that yes, I am very good at Google ads, I am very good at Facebook ads, I am very good at SEO, but I am not good at, let's say, email marketing. So once you are aware where you are good at and where you are not very good, what are your strengths and weaknesses, you only understand once you practice. And once you practice and once you understood your weakness and strength, what can you do? You can look for the jobs related to your strength and you can also overcome your weaknesses, right? So let's say if I'm getting an interview opportunity for email marketing and I know that I'm not good at this because I practice very much, but I'm not getting it so much like perfection in this, but I'm very good at Google ads. So what I'll do, I'll go to the jobs which is related to Google ads and Facebook ads. I'll apply there. I'll get my jobs, right? And while working, I also can accomplish or I also can, like, let's say, get more perfection on my email marketing skills, right? So this is how I can gain confidence on my different skills, right? Once I have a confidence, what do you think, guys? Is it enough to get a job in the industry to have a confidence? So let's say if you guys learn everything and if you guys practiced everything, will you get the job in the industry or no? Yes or no? Quickly response, guys. Manzi is saying you will get the job. Raj is saying no. Anwar is saying yes. Varsha is saying yes. Hania is saying yes. Sharmili is saying yes. Ekta is saying yes. Ishak is saying yes. So most of you are agree, but Raj is not agree with me. Okay. On field experience. Absolutely. So I am with Raj. You guys won't get the job after just learning and after just practicing. After just learning and practicing, you will get the skill. But getting a skill is not enough right now. You know why? Because people want to verify your skills and people don't believe on your words. If you say someone, I can drive very well, can you give me your car? And then see the reaction. Nobody will give you their car to drive until unless they are not aware about your practically driving skills, until unless they have not sat with you before and you have driven the car before with them, right? So unless they are not aware about how good you are in the things, they won't give you the job. So employers are very smart. How many business people are there in the session? Quickly, yes, by the business people only who run the businesses. Sunil, okay. Okay. So only Sunil is there, I guess, running the business or a startup or something. Myself, okay, Anwar. So all the people here who are running the businesses, they just have to share with me. What do you want in your employee? If you want to hire a digital marketer, how you hire them? That there are two people coming for the interview. One came to your place and telling you that, yes, I am very good at digital marketing skills. Ask me any question, I can answer you. And I'm practiced everything. I'm very good at all these things. Hire me and give me the job at this package. Or the other person is coming and saying, this is my portfolio. I worked on these projects. You can check the result. I have developed this email marketing strategy, which has a 80% of open rate. I have this SEO strategy. When I use this, I rank my content on the first page of Google with this, right? So which one you hire? Portfolio one, Priyank is saying. Sunil is saying second one. Ashmaria is saying the portfolio one. Why you all want to hire portfolio one? Sunil said, because I can't take risk. Yes, that is one of the reason. Why you believing the other person more? Because experience matters, right? And the moreover, you are aware about their skills. They are showing you their skills. The other one person is saying anything, blah, blah, blah in the interview. But that is not gonna work, right? What is gonna work in today's world? How practical you are and how practical your approach is, even in the interviews, right? So you have to build a practical approach. How will you build this? With the help of portfolio. And what we do here, we help our student with a 2 month of paid internship. And in this 2 month of paid internship, we teach our every student to build a portfolio on the various projects. You do 6 to 8 projects, and those 6 to 8 projects will help you to build a quite impressive portfolio where you can mention all those things in your portfolio. So let's say one example is I given you the task to write one article and we got publish your article on Times of India. So when your article got published on Times of India, what will happen? You can mention that in your portfolio. And when you show it to someone that this is my article, I written this and this is published on Times of India, you can go ahead and check on the Times of India. Author name is Raj. Author name is Ashmarya. Author name is Sunil. So your name is mentioned there as an author name. So all the work that you will be doing during this 2 month of internship will be published by your name. And you will get an advantage as a 6,000 rupee stipend during this internship also. And the best part, you can do it in flexible hours. So all the people who are working professionals, all the people who are going to their colleges, all the people going to their like any part-time jobs or something, they can do it with their current jobs, with their current schedule. They don't have to interrupt their current schedule. You can do it in flexible hours, right? So every day 2 hours you can give, or moreover on the Saturdays, Sundays, on holidays you can give your hours and can do this internship. During the complete internship, one internship manager will be there who will be looking out all the result or like all the work you will be doing, and they will be helping you out with the required assistance to produce the result, right? So this is 2 month internship you will be doing in the course. So if I'll talk about in first 3 months, you will learn all these topics, right? After learning all these topics in next 2 months, you will be doing the internship and you will be building a portfolio for yourself, right? Right? So once you build a portfolio, the next step will be helping you with a job opportunity and freelancing opportunity. For those things, what we do for job people, we have our 350 plus placement partners. These 350 plus placement partners help our student to get job in their location, right? So we connect you with the one and you can connect with these people. Along with this, we also have a job portal where we have like jobs available on daily basis for the different skills. So for digital marketing, if you will just see that, yes, there are jobs available for digital marketing, social media manager, digital marketing intern, right? You have your e-commerce executive, content writer, SEO, marketing intern, digital marketing intern, then your media and data manager, you have a digital marketing internship, then you have a copywriting intern, right? So these jobs are available, social media marketing and SEO post. So all these jobs are available for the relevant skills. And if you will say this is work from home job, this is Gurgaon, this is Vashi, Navi Mumbai, this is Mumbai, Maharashtra, Chennai, right? Gurgaon. This one is also from Gurugram. This one is from Bangalore, Chennai, Noida. So most of the like cities, most of the states, most of the countries we are associated with. So we have a more than 350 placement partner, as I said. So they are available in different part of the India and different part of the world as well, right? Along with this, so once you complete or this, we have freelancing groups as well. So within the program, once you complete it, right? So if you want to apply for the jobs, you can connect to our placement cell. But if you want to go as a freelancer, right, then we will also teach you how to sell your services. We will also teach you how to become a freelancer. Along with this, we also help you with our groups. We have a groups of freelancers where we add you and we post the projects. So let's say you guys came here to learn digital marketing. You search on internet and you came here. Similar way, when you search for digital marketing agencies or something, all these people also come on our website. And when they come on our website, they ask us, can you deliver this project to us? But we don't deliver projects. What we do, we post those projects in our groups, and our students who are doing the freelancing, they can apply for those projects. So in this way, we help a student to become a freelancer and support them with the freelancing projects. Right? So moving forward, if I'll just show you the last thing, which is the upskilling. So how many of you think that if you complete this 4 step is enough? Upskilling is not required in the industry. Then let me to be very, you can say, honest with you guys. Upskilling is something which you definitely require in this industry. As I initially said, when I joined this industry 10 years back, after that, I am keep upskilling myself with all the latest things happening around the industry. I came up with the marketing automation, now the AI related tools. I'm learning everything new happening in the industry. Why? Because this industry demand this. If you don't do this, you will dissolve in the industry quickly. So if you want to stay in this industry for a longer period, you have to keep yourself updated. You have to keep yourself like always with the new trends, right? So all the people use Instagram here, right? So when you use the Instagram, I guess trend is something you all aware about. So trend is something which quickly comes and go, right? So this is how this industry is. Things came up and they dissolve, and you have to be learn new things every time. So if you are doing it, then yes, you will become a effective digital marketer all the time. But if you don't do this, then you start getting dissolved in the industry. So then you have to update yourself to again become effective in this industry. So this is the demand of industry. So you have to do this in every now and then. So what we are doing for this, we are giving you a lifetime access. In the lifetime access, we help you with the training material, course recording, and class presentation. That means when you join us in 2015, let's say for all the people join us in 2015, they still can access all the latest content. They still can log in their account and can check what we are teaching in 2024. So same with you, whatever we're teaching today, you guys also can log in 2030 and can check out all the latest content at that time, right? So this is the value of a lifetime access that can keep you effective in this industry. Okay, so now I'm coming. Right, so this is the program I just shared with you guys. 3 months, all the learning and skills will be covered. Then 2 months paid internship will be covered. And then you have these 2 batches here for weekdays and Saturdays, where you have a 14 like weekday batches on Tuesday, Thursday, 8 to 9:30 evening, and Saturday batches morning 10 to 1, right? Along with this, we have one more program, which is a AI-driven digital marketing, which is artificial intelligence marketing professional, we called it. And when you explore this program, what basically it is a 4 weeks of training. And in 4 weeks, we teach you all the AI related learning, which are required to enhance your productivity. For an example, if you guys are running your YouTube channel, you are creating one video and taking your 3-4 days time. So with the help of AI tools, we can help you to generate 4-5 videos one day. You can increase the productivity of yours. Similarly, let's say if you're handling social media of a company and every day you are putting 2-3 hours in creating a social media post, and then in 30 days, you are putting somewhere around, let's say, 30 days into 2 hours every day, so 60 hours. So what if I just help you to generate 30 days content in only maximum in half an hour, in 30 minutes, you can generate next 30 days content. This is the power of AI, which you guys can use and can become more productive in this industry. Same way you have the automations like WhatsApp automation, someone wants to learn about it, right? How to send automated messages to the complete list of peoples. Then you have a predictive analysis. Let's say I'm someone who is launching a business and I'm not very sure about the product that I am launching. So what I can do, I can predict whether this will work or not. I have to run some tests on this. I have to do some analysis on this and how to use AI to reduce the time of those analysis for predictions. That is called as a predictive analysis, and you will learn that in the program. How to use ChatGPT for market research. That is one of the effective learning which you will learn in this program. How to not spend number of hours in researchment or in researching. You just take the help of ChatGPT or AI tools, which can help you to do a better research in the less time, right? This all will be covered in AI-based training, and which will be cost at an additional cost of 24,900 plus GST, which is somewhere around 29,300, right? So now, as I promised, so I'm coming on the surprise part. So before that, I just wanted to understand, have you guys got the like exact value that I committed in before in the session, that you will learn in and out about the industry, about how to get a job in the industry and all, everything, structure and all? Can I have a quick yes or no from you guys? If you understood really well, just say UD. Perfect. So, okay, someone said maybe. No worries, Hania. You definitely can connect with me for more, right? Okay, so if I just move to the next part, then I have a surprise for all of you guys who stayed in this session till last. So our digital marketing master course, which is this one, right? This course is for 5 months, and the fee for this course is 29,000 plus taxes for now. Previously, it was 41,000 rupees. So now it is 29,900 plus taxes, which is 35,000 all inclusive right now. Second is artificial intelligence. This is 24,900 plus GST, which is somewhere around 29,000. So if you just add these two, this will cost you somewhere around 35 plus 29, total 64,000 rupees, right? And with 2 months of internship, it will be 6,000 you will get back, right? So 64 you are paying, 6,000 you are getting back as well. So total somewhere around 58,000 you have to pay for this course. But right now, what is happening? If you enroll it today, I'm sharing with you one customized link to pay your fees. With the help of this link, you guys simply can pay your fees, and that will be only 45,000 for both the courses. You do not have to pay 64,000 for both the courses. You just have to pay 45,182 for both of them, and additionally 6,000 you will get back after your training. So you are paying only 39,000 for now, right? You're not paying even 45,000. You are just paying 39,000, because 6,000 anyways you will get back in your account once you complete your internship part, right? So right now, as I just shared, we have two different batches. One is weekdays, where your classes will be on every Tuesday and Thursday, 8 to 9:30 after office hours. Another one is Saturdays, which is every Saturday morning 10 to 1 Indian timings, IST, right? So I just required from you guys to share with me in the chat box which batch you are more comfortable in, for weekdays or for Saturdays. For weekdays, simply write weekdays. For Saturdays, simply write Saturdays. Ishak is saying for Saturdays, Hemant is for weekdays, Sharmili is for weekdays, Ashif is for Saturdays, Hania is for weekdays, Neha is for weekdays. Okay. Anusha is for weekdays, Ekta is for weekdays. Because our time difference, I'm not sure at the moment. What is your time, Sunil? You can share with me which country you are from. Raj Desai, not sure. No worries. Our team can help you. 4.5 ahead. Okay. So you must be from, I guess, Australia. Yeah. Okay. Got it. So yeah, most of the time, like people from Australia, they are good with our like this Saturday batch, which will be on 10 to 1. So I guess 8 to 9:30 will be too late for you, which is somewhere around 12 midnight, right? So I guess 12 midnight is something which is your sleeping time. So I don't want you to disturb your sleep because it is important for your health as well. So you simply can go with the Saturdays one. Okay. Okay, Sonal, no worries. You can decide about it and can let us know and can enroll for the program. But make sure, yes, all will be there. Every class is gonna record, so don't worry about it. When you attend your class, it will be live. And once you complete your live class, you will have a recordings available in your LMS. Even not for now, even the previous class recording is also available. And same with future. Even future classes you also can see as a recording in your LMS. Yeah, sure, Sonal. My team will connect with you. I believe one of the counselor is already connected with you. They can help you with. Can you discuss again about the lifetime access? Sharmili, lifetime access means that you will get an account like this. Let's say I'm just showing you guys. See, this is our LMS account. You will get an account on this, right? In this LMS account, you will have all your sessions, which will be available as a recording. So even after completion of your classes, right? So let's say this is one of the course I have in my account, right? So let's say this is digital marketing course. When I go to curriculum, I can see, yes, all these my sessions are here. So let's say when I talk about SEO session, when I click on SEO lesson one, then these are the recordings. These are the latest recording, 4th May, and this is the previous one. So all the sessions recording will be there after your session. So don't worry about it that you will not miss out anything. Always you will have the recordings available in your account to access it anytime in future. After the internships are placement also insisted by IIM. Yes, we provide the internship, but we are not IIM. We are IIM skills. I am from Pakistan. How can I pay my fees? Hania, for Pakistan, like you just have to connect with someone who is outside Pakistan, maybe someone from Dubai or from someone from another country that you have any connection. They can pay the fee on your behalf and then you can transfer to them. So I have some enrollment from Pakistan that who have done in the same way. They just get their fee paid by some like even UAE or like Gulf countries or get paid by someone who is outside Pakistan because direct payment options are not there from Pakistan, right? So for now, I am giving you this link, guys. With the help of this link, you simply can go ahead and can pay your fees. You will be the trainer for full course, right? No, not exactly, Ishak. I'll not be the trainer for all the lessons. I'll be the trainer for, yes, you can send it from Spain. We can give you the like PayPal option, or we can have like on the Razor Pay and all. You can pay it from Spain, so that is not an issue. So Ishak, you will be, I'll not be the trainer for all the session. I have, like you can say, there are 5 to 6 other trainers also who will teach you the different things. I'll teach you some of the things. I am expert at website designing. I'll teach you the website designing. I'll be teaching you marketing automation. I'll be teaching you AI, right? AI and digital marketing. So all these lessons are my expertise. So I'll be teaching you. How about the Western Union payment directly to IAM account? I am not sure about this Western Union option, right? Because we struggled last time. I guess some of my colleagues asked me for this. So this is up to you. If you have this option available, we can send you the like account details and you simply can send it to like through Western Union. So that is not an issue. But if it is there. Other payment option, bank account. Yes, you all have these options available. My team can share with you. If you just want to use your debit card, credit card, net banking, or anything, you simply can go on this link and can pay through debit credit cards. Or if you just don't want to use this, then if you want bank details, then you can connect with the counselor you are already connected with, maybe like one of the counselor, and then you can ask them for the bank account details. They will share it with you, and you can just simply pay through that, right? And guys, I just suggest you one small thing right now that must enroll today itself to avail these offer, which I shared with you at 45,000 both the course, because you will never get this option on the website. When you go on the website, you check these courses are available at a different prices and you have to pay 64,000 for both the courses on the website. And this customized link is valid for few hours. So if you want, you just simply pay on this and then can avail both of the course at 45,000 rupees all inclusive. And if you are paying through account, then you just ask the bank account details quickly with the counselor and connect with the counselor after this session, right? Yes, absolutely, Ishak. We have our training facilities where you have email address plus the WhatsApp number, both are available with the trainer. So you easily can get connected with the trainer for in terms of any issues or like any queries you're getting. But make sure you will be connecting them during the like business hours. Don't like expect a reply at late night, 12, 10, 11. Right? Usually people what they think that they think like the support person reply them anytime. It doesn't happen. Usually you will get the support in business hour, which is like usually 9:30 to 6:30 as per the Indian timing, right? Perfect. Which tool will be covered for SEO, digital marketing, and AI? All the tools are mentioned on the website. You don't have to worry about anything. And you simply go on the website. When you simply go on the website here, then you can check out the all tools are available here, right? Tools covered in SEO, in WordPress, in SCM, email marketing, right? So we have mentioned our website very crystal clear. Everything is mentioned on the website. So you don't have to worry about anything. Will you provide access to the tools for the practice? Yes, absolutely. All the tools will be there for the practices. So whatever the tools you need for the practices during your training, we will be providing you. So don't worry about it. Right. Along with this, guys, I'm just want to give you one more update that our course fee is going to be updated very soon. In next maximum, I guess, in next 2 days, it will be updated. So what price you are getting right now, 45,000 for both the courses. Soon it will be available at a price of 74,000 plus GST, right? Which will be 74,000 plus GST. So somewhere around 85,000 rupees for both the courses. And we like add some few more things into the program that will be also available, right? So all the people who enroll today at the price of 45,000 rupees, they are eligible for the same course, which you will be getting in 75,000 plus GST in next few days, right? So just make sure you enroll now. Don't delay it much. If you delay it much, you have to enroll at a other price, which will be 74 plus GST after 1 or 2 days. I want to split. Okay, no worries, Ishak. You definitely can connect with one of the counselor for the payment options, right? It is mentioned. So if you just look at this, here you come. Content writing and advanced blogging. It is covered in this. The consultant and enroll for the program soon, not right now. However, thank you for your time and enroll. No worry, Ashif, you definitely can enroll with us, but I have given you the honest updates. You will see our website in next 2 days. The price will be updated to 74,000 plus GST and the look will be a different and you have some few more things added to the course. But if you enroll at 45,000 now, then you definitely can start after like 1 week or 2 week also. That is not an issue. But yes, you can start with the same price what you get today, right? You don't have to pay 74 for the updated fees. You will get all things covered in the same fees which you are paying now for this course. Perfect, guys. So thanks for your time and really thanks for keeping this very engaging. So I want you, like now we all can take the leave from the session. So before leaving, just share your experience with the session and then you guys simply can leave. It is 6 months. So first 3 months of your digital marketing like master course, then for 1 month AI, then 2 months of internship. So total will be 6 months. Okay, guys, looking forward to your feedback before leaving the session. So can I have? Yes, right now this is Hania. Thanks, Sharmili. Thanks, Priyank. Thanks, Ashif. Perfect, guys. So thanks for the time and looking forward to see you in my training program. Good luck and have a great day ahead. Goodbye, guys.